this week I'm going to make a white chocolate pear cardamom lime cookie from Ottolenghi. The first thing he has us do is brown some butter, and then you have to let it cool down, so I'm going to do that first. He says it'll take about 8 minutes. We will see how that goes, so I'll just pop that on the heat now. You can see it's all frothy, and if I give it a swirl, he says until it's got a deep nutty like smell, and also it's kind of amber, so I think that's about right. And then to put it into a bowl so it can cool down in the fridge, I'm gonna try and scrape up all those nice brown bits. Okay, so I'm gonna pop that into the fridge now. So it's been in the fridge. Look at that, solid. See if I can get this out. I have to chisel this out. So I had to hack at it a bit. Let's do that. Try and encourage it out. It smells incredible though, kind of almost sweet and like nutty, toasted, delicious. So it's all the browned butter, get it off there, and then it's some soft butter, mine's soft-ish, then light brown sugar, and some caster sugar. A lot of butter and sugar, but I think it makes like 25 cookies, so that's fine, it's fine. And then it's 2 tablespoons, not 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of lime zest, which she says is from 2 limes, so I'm just gonna trust that it is 2 limes. I'm not gonna measure out a tablespoon. So I'm gonna just finely grate in the zest of these guys. And then that gets creamed together until it's a bit lighter, but it says not too fluffy. It's about 2 minutes, so I'm going to pop that in the mixer now. So that's had a couple minutes. You can see it's definitely gone a bit lighter. There's still like a few butter lumps. Do you see? I guess it's because we use the cold butter, but I don't want to make it too fluffy, so I'm just going to trust Ottolenghi. Then it's adding an egg and an egg yolk. And then that gets mixed until just combined. So that's just about combined, and then I'm going to add the plain flour. So he uses freshly ground cardamom. He does 7 pods, which I think is about a teaspoon. I already have ready ground, so bicarb. Then he has half a teaspoon of flaky salt and some fine salt, 2 salts. I mean, it's Ottolenghi, he's fancy. And then it gets mixed until it's just starting to combine, but there's still a few dry bits. So there's still a few dry bits. It's, yeah, still kind of a bit, just about coming together. And then I've got some chopped pear, conference pears, has been peeled, and some white chocolate. I didn't have the full amount because the block just came in 150 grams, but so it's a little bit less, but it's fine. And then I'm gonna mix this together again until it's fully combined. So it's all mixed together. Not gonna lie, my mixer was having a bit of a issue. It was like, no, I don't want to, which I can't really blame it. Look at it, it's a mountain of dough. So I'm just seeing, he says about 50 grams worth of dough, so I'm seeing whether this one works or if I should get my larger scoop. So that's 50 grams. I'll try the larger scoop. That's 57, so it's a bit much maybe, so I'll do a heaped one of those. So, because they then go into the fridge for a couple of hours, which is soul destroying. But I can wait, it's fine. He says it will kind of help the texture, so might as well do it properly on the first to go over. So I will weigh and measure these out. So I've just trying a bit of the batter, it's delicious. So they're all roughly scooped out. I'll make them a bit pretty for baking, but now they'll go in the fridge for a couple of hours. So they've been in the fridge, and then I'm going to pop them, I know there's still fragments, I'm sure it's fine, into the oven for about 15 minutes. Sorry it's so dark, the day is coming to an end, but I thought I'd give them a try. So looks like a nice kind of really deep golden bake. You can see like some white chocolate and pear and things. All right, let's try. They're really good, they're really nice. You get that, it's almost like a hint of almost like coconut from it, I guess from the brown butter, but the lime is really lovely. The cardamom is quite mild actually. Really yummy. The pear, I'm not sure if we even got a bit of pear in that, but yeah, very good, very nice. Yeah, lovely. They're quite sweet, I guess, with the two types of sugar and white chocolate, but it's a nice kind of crunch on the edge and soft in the middle. Yeah. Nice, very nice. I hope you enjoyed this week, and I'll see you next time.